So, welcome to Krakow, Poland. This is my first visit to this country, and so far I've been pretty pleased with my visit. Krakow totally exceeded my expectations. Well, let's say met my expectations, being interesting, not so typical looking like the other Central European cities. And I'm gonna show you mostly the most famous things in Krakow. So I guess you at the main town hall, and from there we're gonna go to the castle. That's gonna be about it for today. Maybe a couple more buildings in between on the way. So here we are at the most famous place in all of Krakow, and that's the main town square, also called Rynek Główny in Polish. It's the most famous place in Krakow, the most recognizable place, and I was here last night and it's pretty hectic in the summer. It's full of young people who want to get drunk, and that's pretty much it. People approach you, all they want is a cigarette, they ask where they can get drunk and shit like that. I don't really like that type of stuff. But you know, that's the things that come with, you know, traveling around Central Europe. Okay, so now we're gonna head down to the castle. I'm gonna show you around there. We just came into the Krakow castle, and it's really nice. They've got this enormously beautiful cathedral with some really nice like detailed monuments on it. They've got the clocks, they got a lot of statues. There's lots of very beautiful churches around Krakow which don't have the typical Central European looking style. So fast forward a bit in time and I'm back home. Unfortunately, I kind of ran out of footage from Krakow, so I'm not really able to somehow understandably end the video with some kind of outro footage. But I just came back from a 3-week holiday which I took from work, and I spent those 3 weeks in Bulgaria, which is my homeland. So stay tuned for 3 more vlogs. One will be from the capital city of Sofia, and the other 2 will be basically about my stay at the seaside. There will be lots of blue waters, sandy beaches, volleyball and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that. I got some pretty good stuff for you.